Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. Today, it's a review on the YESOUL G1 32-inch HD exercise bike. I have a special discount code for you. If you want to pick up one of these bikes, just click down below the video where it says more or show more, and there will be a link for 10% off right there. So the bike is normally $9.99 and it is reduced special sale right now. It's $4.99. So it's a great price. Minus your 10% off, you'll save even more. Let's do a walk around of the bike. I'll show you some of the features. Very ergonomic, the seat, the handlebars, different riding positions, up high, in the middle, down low. Here's your adjustment knobs. This black knob here, you just pull it out, turn it, and then you can adjust your handlebars right here, further out or back, higher or lower, whatever you prefer. As far as adjusting the wheel, the front wheel, for your tension while you're riding, this is this red knob right here. All you do is spin it. That's it. So simple. Here are the pedals, right and left. This is the right pedal. You can put your foot inside and then tighten up the strap so you have a secure feel while you're riding. Here's the seat. To adjust the seat, also very simple. Just pull out the knob, twist it till it loosens. Then you can go up and down with the seat. And then tighten it back securely. You're good to go. In the back, there are two 1 kilogram weights. So if you want to pump some iron while you're riding, you can do that as well. Another great feature or accessory to the bike, along with the weights in the back, up in the front, you have two water bottle holders, right and left. It holds my giant Yeti water bottle, no problem. So when I'm up here on the bike, if I get thirsty, boom, I can just grab my bottle, take a swig. Right side, left side, you can put two water bottles up there. You can put your phone on one side, your water bottle on the other side. The plug-in is right here at the back, down at the bottom. There's a little shrouded cover to protect it. So you just plug the 120 volts right into that, and then you can power on the unit. Up in front, this is a really nice feature. Two rubber or fiber wheels, where if you need to move the bike, all you do is pick up in the back till it lands on the wheels, and then you can roll it back and forth. Very simply, just like that. Nice and easy. This is your display monitor right here, and it's a giant screen, diagonally 32 inches. It's a good sized TV screen right there. And you can swivel it any way you want. If you want to do workouts and view the screen from the side while you're doing your weight workouts or your aerobic workouts, you can do that as well. But while you're riding, you just jump up here, and you can adjust the screen any way you want. So while you're on the bike, you can adjust by turning the red knob, adjust the handlebars by moving this knob, adjust the seat by moving the knob in the back. Low tension on the wheel, you can ride sitting like this. You want to increase it and accelerate your workout, you can get up like this. The handlebars allow you to use all different grip positions, further out, middle, towards the back. Very simple and very comfortable. YESOUL also has an app on the phone that you can subscribe to. Currently, it's $9.99 a month. That will allow you to do different programs and go along with an instructor on the screen as you're riding. You're not limited to the YESOUL app. You could also use a Peloton app or a YouTube app for riding as well. Makes your workouts go by much quicker, faster, more enjoyable. Music, sound, they speak to you. You can ride with other riders, and you don't even have to use their app. You can just get on the bike and ride. They have some other views of scenery going through different locations. You could just ride the bike and view the scenery. Sometimes there's a rider up in front of you, and you're kind of following him along through the scenery, which is pretty nice. It makes it so it's not so boring. It adds a little spice to the workout, and your workout goes quicker that way, instead of just listening to music or looking at a blank wall. To turn on the 32-inch HD screen, very simple. All you do, there's a red light here once it's plugged in with a white dot next to it, the on button underneath the white dot behind it. Just press that, and then you'll see YESOUL comes up on the screen, and then it boots up and goes through the process, and then you can choose your program. You can ride along by yourself and watch the scenery, or you can do a pre-programmed ride with the instructor, which makes it a lot more fun. You just download your code by scanning this, and then you're able to log on with your phone. Different languages, English, Chinese, Deutsch, Espanol, Russian, all different languages, Japanese, whatever you prefer. This is a very nice, comfortable bike. As I said, if you want to pick one up, just click below the video where it says more or show more, and you'll get a 10% discount if you use my code. So I hope you enjoyed this quick walkthrough. Guess what? You want to see how it works? Let's take a ride. I would like to ride through some scenery with the app right now, but since I'm using my phone to record this, I'm not going to be able to use the app. You can use the app at home, no problem. Just use it right through your phone. But I'll take a ride. I'll show you how I exercise with an exercise bike. By the way, this is my third exercise bike, and by far, this is the best of all three. Very comfortable. The handlebar adjustment, the seat, the wheel, very easy to spin. Everything's ergonomic. It feels good to ride. So you're going to be comfortable whether you're riding for 10 minutes or an hour. So again, if you want to pick one up, take advantage of my discount code. Just click below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab it right there and save yourself some money as well. Now that you've seen the bike, how about we go for a little ride? This workout will be about 25 minutes long, and it's going to be HIIT, high intensity interval training. I don't know about high intensity. I mean, I'm not a professional bike rider, but I'll take you through a good workout, and I promise you will sweat. You will be dripping when it's over. And it's very simple. It's just high, low, high, low, high, low. We'll go about 20, 25 minutes. So let's get started. I'll come around here. Let's get right up on the bike. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shapenation.com. Have a great shape, have a great day.